On a stormy night, something is watching your house, and in seconds, it will strike you. A single lightning strike carries over 100 million volts, and now it just hit your home. The electricity doesn't stop there. It spreads instantly through every wire in your house. Its devices can explode, wires can burn, and within seconds, a fire can start. But one simple device can save your entire house. A lightning rod redirects all that power safely into the ground. Now think, if lightning strikes tonight, will your house survive?